In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve mic quality on Discord. We'll keep this simple and effective so you can sound clear and consistent every time you join a call. First, consider using a third-party voice app, often called a voice mod. These tools sit between your microphone and Discord and process your audio in real time. They can smooth out harsh sounds, reduce background noise, and even add gentle EQ or compression to make your voice sound fuller. If you go this route, choose a reputable app and start with subtle settings. Overprocessing can make your voice sound robotic or introduce lag. Keep an ear out for delay, and dial things back if your voice starts to break up or feels out of sync. The goal is a natural, polished sound, not a drastic effect, so use enhancements lightly and consistently. Next, fine-tune Discord's built-in audio options. Click the small gear icon in the bottom left corner of the app to open user settings, then go to voice and video. Here's where you'll enable or disable features that might be affecting your clarity. Start with noise suppression. If you're in a busy room, turning this on can clean up fan hum or keyboard clicks. If your voice sounds thin or choppy, try turning it off. Overly aggressive suppression can trim parts of your speech. Now look at echo cancellation. This helps when your microphone can hear your speakers, which can cause that hollow, echoey sound. If you're using headphones, you might not need it. If you're on speakers, keeping it on usually helps. Toggle it and speak a few sentences to hear the difference. Explore the advanced processing options as well. Features like automatic gain control can raise or lower your volume on the fly. If your levels swing too much or you notice sudden volume jumps, try disabling it to keep your voice steadier. If things sound dull or muffled, reduce processing. If they sound too raw or noisy, add a bit more. Make one change at a time, talk at your normal volume, and listen for clarity and consistency rather than just loudness. As you test, aim for a clean, natural tone with minimal background noise. Combining a light touch from a third-party voice app with carefully chosen Discord settings usually delivers the best results. Take a moment to save what works, and stick with the same setup from call to call so your voice stays reliable. That's it. Simple adjustments, big improvement. Enjoy sounding your best on Discord.